Welcome to my channel, Carupdater Chronicles. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the Victorian updated. This isn't just another car, it's a revival of a classic era blended with modern innovation. Imagine taking the elegance and charm of vintage automobiles, but injecting them with cutting-edge technology and performance capabilities that make them fit seamlessly into today's world. That's exactly what this car embodies. At first glance, the design will grab your attention. It manages to balance the charm of classic cars with sleek, futuristic lines. The front grille harks back to a time when cars were designed to be admired, but the LED headlights remind you that this vehicle is not stuck in the past. It's a bold statement of marrying old-world craftsmanship with modern-day engineering. You get a distinctive blend of chrome accents and flowing body lines that hint at luxury while still feeling dynamic. If you're someone who appreciates the timeless appeal of classic cars but can't give up on modern conveniences, this design will tick all the right boxes. Now, let's talk about performance, because what's under the hood really elevates this vehicle from being just a looker to a full-blown driving experience. Victorian updated features a hybrid powertrain, combining a fuel-efficient combustion engine with an electric motor for an exhilarating yet smooth ride. The power delivery is instant thanks to the electric component, while the traditional engine provides the endurance you need for longer trips. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking it for a long highway drive, the car responds effortlessly. For those interested in numbers, it's no slouch. It clocks a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 6 seconds, which, for a vehicle that celebrates old-world aesthetics, is impressive. You'll also find the handling surprisingly nimble, thanks to adaptive suspension that adjusts to different driving conditions. Whether you're navigating tight city corners or enjoying an open stretch of road, it feels planted and responsive. It's a perfect example of how modern engineering can elevate what was once just a beautiful form into something functional and exciting. One of the standout features is its comfort level. Inside, you'll find a cabin that's drenched in luxury, but it's luxury reimagined for the modern world. Think hand-stitched leather seats, but with heating and cooling functions, or a dashboard that nods to the simplistic designs of yesteryear but includes a high-definition touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. It's a space where old meets new in the most functional and aesthetically pleasing way possible. The seats are not only comfortable but are also ergonomically designed to provide support during long drives. What really sets this apart is its attention to detail. You'll notice subtle design elements that pay homage to the Victorian era, such as brass accents, intricate stitching patterns, and even retro-style gauges. But make no mistake, these are all high-tech. The analog-looking dials are actually digital displays with haptic feedback, combining the best of both worlds. It's this attention to the little things that makes this vehicle feel truly unique. It's like stepping into a time machine, but one that's been fine-tuned for the future. Safety features are abundant. You're looking at the full suite of advanced driver assistance systems here. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, all of it is included. But what's really innovative is how these features are integrated into the design in a way that doesn't detract from its vintage appeal. The sensors are hidden in the sleek lines of the body, and the alerts are discreet, keeping with the theme of understated sophistication. In terms of unique selling points, one thing that stands out is its limited production run. Victorian updated is not mass-produced, making it a rare find on the road. This exclusivity adds to its charm, giving it a sense of bespoke luxury. It's the kind of car that makes a statement without having to shout. Whether you're driving it to a weekend getaway or just out for a leisurely drive, it's going to turn heads, but in a way that feels sophisticated rather than showy. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. With its hybrid setup, you can expect great mileage both in the city and on the highway, making it as practical as it is stylish. The electric motor helps cut down emissions, so you're not only driving in style but also being kind to the environment. It's a nod to the future while respecting the past, and that's something very few cars manage to pull off. To wrap it up, The Victorian Updated isn't just about nostalgia, it's about taking the best parts of the past and marrying them with the technology and performance of today. It's a car for those who appreciate craftsmanship but demand innovation. You get the feeling that it was designed with passion and precision, not just to meet a market demand, but to offer something genuinely unique. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, this vehicle delivers on all fronts. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the past, present, and future of automotive design. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more unique cars, don't forget to subscribe to Carupdater Chronicles. See you in the next one.